Alright, anybody with a 2013 to 18 Ford Fusion that has ambient lighting, I'm asking for a little help. I'm wanting to add ambient lighting in my vehicle on there. I've already ordered the parts for the center console and little cup holders and all that. But what my next one is that I'm wanting to do is add the ambient lighting on the floorboard. But I'm kind of stuck right now. I believe there's an ambient light like that's over here, and one that's on the passenger side corner. What I'm trying to find is that little light. If you guys have one on your vehicle, are you able to find the part number of it and send it to me? That'd be very helpful, because that's my plan for this ambient lighting, is just to have it to the center console and just the foot area over there. I'm not going to run it through the doors, because then I'll have to replace the door panel or modify it. But I'm just wanting, basically just kind of like a plug and play. Like I said, I've already got the bezel trim over here. Then I got the other little console here that's got ambient lighting. Also got the lighting in the glove box. But now what I just need is just the one for the footwell. So if I can just get a part number somehow, or know any places that sells those little lights on the corner, can you please let me know? That would be very helpful. Thanks for watching.